what we're doing today is I'm actually going back home. First off, I'm going to wash my car because holy shit is it filthy. You can literally see the streaks of dirt running down the bumper, the headlights, the door handles, areas like that. You can actually just see the gray streaks just running down the car. So it's god awful. Once I do that, then I'm going to possibly install my side markers. I got these from Dylan and Philbeck as a Christmas gift. And these are the smoked out ones with like the white LED bulbs, the bluish white bulbs. So it'll actually be really nice and they'll complement the taillights that are already smoked out as well. So I thought that was neat that they got me that, and I'm really happy because that's an easy little thing that, well, I say easy, it's electrical stuff, but hopefully it's easy. Hopefully it's not too hard. But we got that in mind, and then later on Dylan is gonna come over and he actually got, Philbeck and I actually went in and got the quick release. He doesn't actually have that. His wheel is just bolted straight onto the steering column. So he's gonna put that in. He's got some bolts that are kind of like stripped in there that he needs to take out. So he's actually gonna work on doing that while he's here. And hopefully he can get all that situated because it's been about a year since I did Philbeck's. So none of us are like brushed up on that type of stuff. And I don't know anything about it because I don't have an aftermarket wheel, but he's gonna come over and try and get that all situated, and hopefully while he's here he can help me with my stuff. Boom, look, oh wow, power of editing. Car's already up and the wheel's off. So that noise I determined was right here, end link connecting to the sway bar. Right, okay, right where those two connect, or right where they sit on top of each other, it was rubbing. You can barely see a little indent on the control arm, but I think the noise was whenever I was turning the wheel, it was rubbing against that and crossing over. So what I am doing was adjusting the size of the end link here, and hopefully that fixes that. But the other side's not making noise, so I don't know why it's not rubbing. That's really weird. Oh well. Here we are. Dylan decided to show up. Okay then. Look at what Dylan's out here doing. Vertex? Not a Vertex. Damn, boy. You got that quick? Shut the fuck up! Your car alarm's going off. Alright, show us.
That's it.
That's it? And then you just take it and throw it? So, here's the bulb. This bitch sitting in here like this. Whatever the fuck it was. So you gotta reach through here, this hole. And you gotta push on this tab right here on the light. And then there's this bottom tab down here that you can reach on the underside right here. So flathead screwdriver. Do the top one first, take pressure off, and then you can do the bottom one, and you just turn it on the outside like this as you're pulling out, like pull away. So that's what you gotta do, and then we're replacing this shitty thing with this less shitty thing.
Less shitty?
Yeah, it's actually got an indentation, and it comes with bright white LED bulbs, so. Oh, you forgot to put the bulb in there, didn't you?
What's right there? It is the bulb.
Oh, that's a new bulb?
Yeah. I just put it in.
You want me to turn the car on, see if it works?
Yeah, I want to see if the light comes on first. Make sure I put it in right or whatever. Make sure it works. That's all it is.
Just turn the battery on?
Yeah, it should be. The other side, Mark? Come on, you got that.
Oh, I don't have the key. That would help, wouldn't it?
Okay. Is this one on? This one's on, this one's not. Okay. I don't want to electrocute. Yep.
Hey!
Okay, so I know.
You're not gonna electrocute yourself.
I just died over here.
Damn, that's bright. Holy shit.
Making sure. I think you go in and you gotta like twist it on or something. There's a way to do it. I don't
It's so bright.
Yeah. Trying to do it to So it locks on still. Oh, I see. Come on. Oh my god, bro. Why?
Wait, so it like, oh, and then you gotta twist?
Yeah. Like that. So now, because if not, it would be loose.
Yeah.
Now this has got to go back in there. What?
Keep finagling. Oh, we fucking up my paint?
Nah, yeah.
Yeah.
That was like, after you were trying to pull that one out, I saw that and I thought it was like the piece where Philbeck was waxing and then like the wax crud was in there. I was like, damn, wax crud. I was like, that lasted that long? I guess it was your paint.
Damn.
I heard a click.
I got it.
Yay! Yeah, clear is gonna look way better, bro.
Holy shit, that took forever.
That looks sick.
Oh shit, it does.
That looks way better.
Oh fuck yeah. Fuck side markers. They're a bitch to get out.
So, anyone need some OEM side markers? For 8.6?
Yeah, I doubt anyone wants those. Unless they're trying to salvage build it or something.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, I want to try it. How did you...
So, you're going to have to have it... So, if you think about it, you're going to have to be out this way and then turn it back counterclockwise. So...
How did it go?
So,
I
do you see? Yeah.
The second one's in, but the top is being fuckish for some reason. I'm not sure why, but the top clip doesn't really want to stay in completely all the way. It's doing it on that side, as well as this other side. They're like slightly bowing out a little bit. I mean, they look good overall, but it's just we got that whole clip issue, and then yeah, we super glued the clip, and I managed to explode the bottle of super glue in my hand, and I can't get it off.